2 years earlier, it was in cold and freezing snow 11,000 feet above sea level. And this year, it's among the wild and dangerous jungles of South Africa. The World Cricket Legends in the Wild to be held at KwaZulu-Natal will be played between Kapil Dev's Indian veterans and the South African veterans captained by former all-rounder Mike Proctor.
That's what they were saying, that don't chase the ball after the boundary. Once the ball crosses the boundary, just don't bother about the ball, So we just said, just stay in the middle and enjoy yourself.
Yes, it is in the wild. We are worried, yes, there is things to worry because it's not something because you are entering to somebody else's territory. So you have to be careful, you have to be worried, but I'm sure, there'll be things taken care of, or maybe we'll go and have some lessons once we land there in South Africa, what to do and what not to do.
The specially designed pitch will be in the centre of a jungle reserve. The Legends will be joined by their better halves as they will take part in a 3-day-long itinerary.
If you all recall, last time we had done a cricket game on snow, and it was played on India's 62nd Independence Day. This one is basically the second edition of the same event what we did in Switzerland. However, last time we played on snow. This time I have taken it in the middle of the wild.
Cricket with a twist, and in one of South Africa's scenic locations, taking cricket to a whole new level.